You'll find magic wherever you look. Sit back and relax. All you need is a book. Hello everyone, I'm Trupti Gore and welcome to my Munch a Book with Me story reading session. Today I'm reading a storybook for you. The name of this story is The Ugly Duckling. Mother Duck sat on 4 new eggs in her nest. Soon the eggs cracked open one by one. From 3 eggs came 3 fluffy yellow ducklings. But from the last egg came a large grey duckling. Father Duck did not want Ugly Duckling in his family. He pecked at him and chased him away. No one in the farmyard wanted to be friends. Poor Duckling felt sad and lonely. The next morning, Ugly Duckling wandered out of the farmyard. On and on he walked. He came to a pond and met some ducks. They laughed at him and shouted, "Go away!" At a house, he met a cat and a hen. The cat asked him, "Can you purr like me?" The hen asked him, "Can you lay eggs?" Ugly Duckling said, "No." They said, "Then you cannot stay." Winter came. Ugly Duckling had nowhere to stay. Tired and hungry, he fell asleep on the icy ground. A farmer found the little duckling and carried him home. Ugly Duckling thought, "I am safe at last." But the farmer's son was not kind. He took Ugly Duckling outside and played tricks on him. The little duckling was very frightened of the boy. As soon as he could, Ugly Duckling ran away. Ugly Duckling found a quiet place by a river. He stayed there until the sun began to shine again. Then he saw that his wings were large and white. He flapped his wings and he flew. 3 large white birds called out, "Join us, little swan." Ugly Duckling was not an ugly duckling after all. Since then, the little swan never felt lonely again. That was a happy ending to the story, and I'm sure you enjoyed it. It's time for us to say goodbye. See you again.